Hi, my name is Ryan Hoffman. I'm the Wine and Spirits Director here at Michael Jordan Steakhouse, and we're here to talk about Restaurant Week. We have 3 different entrees that we have selected beer and wine pairings for. Starting off, we have our braised beef short ribs. The chef chose to braise these in Matilda, which is a locally produced beer. So the beer choice was an obvious pairing. We're using Goose Island's Matilda to go with that. The wine is going to be a Rhone-style blend, Grenache, Syrah, Mourvedre, and actually this comes from Washington State. This is from Yakima Valley. Our second dish is a Scottish salmon. Salmon is prepared with piquillo peppers. For this one, we're using Sophie, which is a Belgian-style ale. A little coriander and citrus comes into the blend. And then the Burgundy from Domaine Bouchard was a great lighter choice for a red wine that went well with the salmon. Finally, we have our petite filet. Petite filet is served with mashed potatoes along with a little bit of arugula. We wanted to do something that was a little bit more full-bodied, a little bit more robust, so that's how we ended up with the Red Rye IPA. This is from Founders. The Cabernet was an obvious choice for the steak, a great full-bodied red wine. So please come see us for Restaurant Week. It goes from January 24th to February 6th.